of students make mistakes while registering for JAMB. That is why I've decided to show you the right processes to follow during your UTME or direct entry enrollment. Please watch this video till the end. The first step in creating your JAMB profile for the JAMB 2020 registration is to create your JAMB profile code. Now remember, there are three methods of creating your JAMB profile. First, we can use the SMS system. You can also use the JAMB websites or the JAMB mobile app. But in this video, I'm going to show you two methods on how to create your JAMB profile. So the first thing to do is to create your JAMB profile code, which is essential for your UTME registration. So currently I am on a message screen. Now I'm going to send my details to 55019. The number to send your details to is 55019. Right now I'm going to be sending my full name to this number. Remember, your full name has to be in the right format. Your surname, which is your last name, should come first, followed by your first name. I said your surname should come first, followed by your first name, and in case you have a middle name, it should come last. Remember, this is the format: your surname, your first name, and then your middle name. Now I'm going to send this full name to 55019. Remember, in order to successfully generate your code, you need to have at least 15 naira airtime on your mobile phone. Let's assume you make a mistake when sending your name. Now you can do this. Please type correct column and the name in the correct format again. Now let's assume this is the correct name that I should have sent instead of the one I sent before. Now, assuming I have 15 naira airtime on my phone, I am going to send this again in the correct format to the same code. Now when you send it, JAMB is going to use the last name that you sent in creating your JAMB profile. Now when you successfully do this, JAMB is going to send you a 10-digit number which should be used to create or generate your JAMB e-pin as your first step for your UTME registration. Now let me show you the second method in creating your JAMB profile. Now I'm going to show you the second method of generating your profile code. As you can see, I am currently on my web browser. Please ensure you are using a compatible mobile device and ensure you are using a compatible browser. I would recommend you use the Chrome browser for this process. Please do not use your primary browser, as the recommended browser to use in JAMB's website is Google Chrome. So I'm going to type in the address. The address to type is jamb.org.ng/efacility. Now you go to this address to take you to the JAMB website for your registration. So as you can see, the create an account button, you are going to click on that once you get to that page, and it will redirect you to another page for your registration. Kindly ensure you have an email address before now. The email address must be unique. Do not use an email address you have used before or has been used by your sister or your brother or anyone for JAMB registration. Kindly use an email that you've not used before. So as an example, I'm going to use my email right now, and this email must not be used. It must be genuine, it must be unique. And when I mean genuine, they are going to send you a code or a confirmation mail to this email. So you are going to type in your email address 2 times when you get to the registration page. It will also request for your mobile number. Ensure the mobile number is also unique. For your safety, now I'm going to retype the mobile number again. And after this process, they're going to ask you a security question. Now this security question is for your security purpose. Ensure the question you choose is a special question that is hardly to be guessed. Now currently I'm choosing In what city does your nearest sibling live? As an example, you can choose any of the questions you have there. So I'm choosing this as an example. Now you're going to type in the secret question answer. Remember, you should use something that you can always remember. Again, I will type the secret question answer, and then I'm going to send verify email address. And you can see your email address has been saved and a confirmation email has been sent to you. Kindly check your inbox and spam folder. Confirm your email by clicking on the link in the email to continue your account creation. Your confirmation code is also sent to your provided GSM number. So this is the first step when you get to the JAMB registration page. Now after sending the code, they are going to send you a confirmation email. So now I'm going to go to the confirmation email to continue my registration. Now I'm going to my email. This is the email sent. Now what you have to do is to click the link in the email, which is click here to continue your profile creation. You can also check for other information sent on the email. Now I've clicked on the link. Now to continue my registration, you are going to input your other details. Now I'm going to input your surname. As an example, I'm going to use Ayemileyin. Next, you put your first name, which is James, followed by your middle name, which is Olumide. Remember to always put it in the correct format. I'm selecting my gender. Now you're going to select your date of birth next. Ensure your date of birth is correct to prevent you from future mistakes. Although JAMB allows correction of data, but I recommend you do it right once. Now your date of birth, the year, I'm going to choose this for example. Remember, this is just an example. You should use your own details. Now I'm going to input the same details you have here as your date of birth again to ensure that you are imputing the right details. Ensure they are the same. It must be your real birth date. Next, the year. Remember, the dates must be unique. And again, use the same mobile number that you have used from the beginning. I'm going to select your nationality if you are a Nigerian, or select foreigner if you are a foreigner. As a Nigerian, I'm going to choose a Nigerian. Your state of origin, you can select next. And once you select your state of origin, also select your local government. I'm going to use Apapa as an example. Then choose a password that is very strong. Please ensure you use a strong password. Security is very important. You type in the same password. After that step, you are going to be redirected to a page asking for your confirmation code. JAMB is going to send your confirmation code to the email address that you use in the registration. So I'm going to get my profile code now from my email. Now the profile code has been sent. Now you can see the profile code is in bold. If you are however registered at the Disability Center, the confirmation code shall be required from you to complete your profile creation. Now this is my code. Now I'm going to copy this code and use it on the registration page. If you are using this method, I would recommend you do the registration in a cafe for best results. Ensure you log in to your profile to confirm that you have successfully created the profile before moving to generating your e-PIN. The next step is to check your eligibility for the choosing program and institution at JAMB IBA's website before you register for JAMB 2020. Once you have confirmed the availability of the course in your preferred institution of study, Then you can proceed to the next step. Now the next step is to buy your Jamb 2020 e-pin. The e-pin costs 3,500 naira. You can buy your e-pin through the Jamb accredited banks in Nigeria. You can also do it through the Jamb portal, or go to the Nigerian Post Office NIPOST, or do it using your ATM. After this, please go to an accredited Jamb CBT center. I repeat, please go to an accredited Jamb CBT center to complete your registration.